the first episode of HTML learning series. Today we will discuss what is HTML and how it works. So let's start coding. You can run HTML with the Notepad, or either you can use Visual Studio. I'm using the Visual Studio because it is easy and they have many features, means you can use for the HTML development. Okay, let me create a new HTML file. Let me index.html. In the HTML there are three main components. First is the doc type HTML, and second is the body tag, head tag, and the third one is the body tag. Okay, so HTML file is basically whatever we type our code that we need to put under these HTML tag, and we can add you can say the page information like title of the page, okay, my first web page, and in the body section you can define the text and the images. For now let's add the title of the page, maybe hello code 24/7. Okay, so that is a simple HTML structure that is required to display on the web. Here we have HTML tag, then we have head tag, and then we have body tag. In the head tag we can show the title of the page. We can add the meta title, meta description that is useful for the SEO purpose, and in the body section we put all the S tag, P tag, means our text data, our images that you can add only in the body tag. Now let's run this and check the output. Okay, so see this section is my first web page, that is the title of the page, right? And this is the h1 tag. We can check the view source as well. So this one is the title of the page, and that is the h1 tag. Now you can also define the p tag. Let me add one thing, p tag. In the p tag you can say our first web page, save and then refresh. See, okay. You can also define another heading. You can add subtitle one, anything. So basically HTML is the building of the structure that we use to display on the web pages. Like if you open the Facebook, then you can see the same HTML structure. Not the same, means there will be a different hashtag, p tag. They also added the style sheet, but the main basic structure, that is the HTML head tag, body tag, that's it. So HTML to make a website, we basically need these structures. I hope you like the first class. In the next class we will discuss more about the HTML elements and other functions. Thank you.